Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Which are countable nouns and which are uncountable nouns? The nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, ball, pen, book, etc. You can count these nouns. One ball, two balls, three balls, one pen, two pens, three pens, like that. Whereas uncountable nouns cannot be counted. For example, rice, time, luggage, information, etc. You can't count these nouns. So these nouns are called uncountable nouns. Much and many. Much is used with uncountable nouns. Many is used with countable nouns. Example, he carries too much luggage. It is affirmative sentence. I don't have much time to spend with you. It is negative sentence. Don't add too much sugar in coffee. It is negative imperative sentence. How much time will you stay here? It is WH question. Thank you so much. It is affirmative sentence. Much is used with to or so in affirmative sentences. Much and many, these two words are mostly used in negative sentences and in questions. Next, many. Many is used with countable nouns. I have many friends. It is positive affirmative sentence. I don't have many friends. It is negative sentence. She has so many boyfriends. It's affirmative sentence. How many people are invited for the function? It's a WH question. Hospitals receive too many COVID-19 cases nowadays. It is also affirmative sentence. Many also used with to or so in affirmative sentences. Next, a lot of and lots of. These two words have the same meaning as that of much and many. So meaning wise, all the four words have same meaning. Then what is the difference? Much and many are formal words. A lot of is informal word. Lots of is more informal word. Apart that, much is used with uncountable nouns. Many is used with countable nouns. A lot of and lots of both are used with countable and uncountable nouns. Now let us see some examples for a lot of. He carries a lot of luggage. It means he carries too much luggage. We have a lot of time before the flight arrives. It means we have much time before the flight arrives. I have a lot of friends. It means I have many friends. I don't have a lot of friends. It means I don't have many friends. She has stored a lot of fruits in the fridge. It means she has stored many fruits in fridge. Luggage is uncountable noun, friends countable noun, fruits also countable nouns. Next, let us see some examples for lots of. He carries lots of luggage. The basic difference between he carries a lot of luggage and he carries lots of luggage is he carries a lot of luggage is informal sentence. He carries lots of luggage is more informal sentence. It's because a lot of is informal, lots of is more informal. Next example, we have lots of time before the flight arrives. I have lots of friends. I don't have lots of friends. Do you have lots of friends? Don't you have lots of friends? So this way, a lot of and lots of are used in affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and in questions. Next, much, many, a lot of, lots of comparison. He carries too much luggage is equal to he carries a lot of luggage. I don't have much money is equal to I don't have a lot of money. I have a lot of money is equal to I have lots of money. Don't consume too much sugar is equal to don't consume a lot of sugar or don't consume lots of sugar. I have many friends is equal to I have a lots of friends. I have a lot of friends. It is equal to I have lots of friends. It means all the three sentences have same meaning. I have many friends. I have lot of friends. I have lots of friends. All the three have same meaning. I have many friends is formal. I have lot of friends is informal. I have lots of friends is more informal. She has so many boyfriends, which is equal to she has a lot of boyfriends. We did not see many people in the park, which is equal to we didn't see a lot of people in the park.